The Tattered Blanket. The Tattered Blanket is one of the brilliant short story penned by Madhavi Kutty in Malayalam. In this story, the mother craves for her son's love. Here, the blanket represents the warmth of her son's love. She needs her son's love. Hard word and its meaning. Tattered, wearing torn or ragged clothing. The tattered blanket symbolizes the wounded soul of the mother. Gopi is a big officer in Delhi, living with his wife and 4 children. The purpose of his visit to home is to ask his sister to sell his share of property because he can't make both ends meet with his salary as Delhi is too expensive and he has 4 children to look after. He has come to Thiruvananthapuram as a part of his official assignment. He just dropped in on his way back after his meeting in Thiruvananthapuram to meet his mother. It took more than 5 years for him to come home. His mother is very old. She lives with his elder sister Kamala, who is a widow. She doesn't recognize anybody. Sometimes her memory is quite sharp. Sometimes she forgets the present but remembers the past. When her memory is very sharp, she asks about Gopi's letter from Delhi. Kamala tells her a lie that everything is fine with Gopi, his wife and kids. But Gopi does not write any letters to his mother. When he arrived unexpectedly at his home, his mother was lying in an armchair on the veranda. She made a futile attempt to get up. Her son bent down and brought his face close to her wrinkled cheeks and said, "Amma, it's me, Gopi." The mother fails to recognize her son. So she asked Kamala, "Has his school closed for the vacation?" She believes that Gopi is still a schoolboy. These words show her forgetfulness. But the mother has the picture of her son in her mind. She says, "My son is in Delhi, a government officer. He draws a salary of 2,500 rupees. The mother tells Gopi, if he meets her son, ask him to send her a red blanket because there is a cold mist in the morning. If she catches cold, it doesn't leave her for a long time. She has a blanket, the one Gopi brought for her when he was studying in Madras. It is all tattered now." Gopi promised to tell her wish to her son. Amma doesn't recognize her son because she lost her power of memory. In fact, forgetfulness is a blessing for her. Her son doesn't have any love for his mother. He came home only for money, not to see his mother. Let us see some hard words and their meanings. Futile, unsuccessful. Huddled, held arms and legs close because of fear or cold. Reluctantly, not willing to do something. Screwing up eyes, narrowing the eyes to look more carefully. On toes, busy, ready to work. Mumbling, speaking unclearly and quietly. Exasperatedly, very annoyed. Kesari Yogam, well settled. Tattered, tone, irritation, annoyance. Grammar. Fill in the blanks with the most appropriate word from the box. Remember, the box has some extra words. Irritation, hurdled, awkwardly, futile, vacation, reluctantly, exasperatedly, mumbling. All my attempts to make him happy proved futile. It was very cold, so I huddled in a corner. Forced by her parents, Sita expediently took the diploma course. What are you mumbling? I can't hear you. The news that he was denied promotion caused irritation to him. Underline the words that are similar in meaning to the underlined words. His mother made a futile attempt to get up. Here, the meaning of futile is useless. It's all tattered now. Meaning of tattered is torn. There is a cold mist in the mornings. Meaning of mist is fog. It's just like a ball of knotted yarn. Meaning of knotted is rounded tightly. I can't make both ends meet with my salary. Here, the meaning of both ends meet is earn just enough money. Phrase. A phrase has more than one word. Noun phrase. A noun phrase includes a noun, a person, place, or thing, and the modifiers which distinguish it. Now let us complete the sentences with noun phrase using the given words in the brackets. I bought a beautiful red umbrella. We saw a couple of baby elephants in the zoo. Our grandfather lives in a big stone-built house. Ramya has a nice silk saree. Noun phrase opposition. A noun in opposition is needed to explain another noun or a noun phrase that prevents another sentence from being created to explain the same. Rewrite the following sentences using noun frames in opposition. Mahesh is my elder brother. He lives in Delhi. Mahesh. My elder brother lives in Delhi. Sarojini Naidu is popularly known as the Nightingale of India. She wrote many poems in English. Sarojini Naidu. The Nightingale of India wrote many poems in English. Rabindranath Tagore is called Gurudev. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913. Rabindranath Tagore. The Gurudev was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. It is located in Nepal. Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world, is located in Nepal.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.